Hi, so here I am to give you the information about the Eklavya program. Very wonderful program if you want to practice mains PYQ. So there was a confusion regarding the features, components, and the ideology of the program. So Eklavya is a program in which we will make you practice the mains PYQs. And believe me, this will be with a very practical approach. Me myself, along with some toppers, will be meeting 3 hours a day with you in order to sort not only the ideology, not only the framework, not only the brainstorming part, not only the value addition, but the entire art of answer writing. We with you in the live sessions with the timer approach will along with you write the answers of the mains PYQs. So how the entire batch will look like is something that from 7th November onwards, sir and ma'am, for from 7th November onwards, and listen to me very carefully if you want to utilize this batch. Your 3 hours every day will be fixed. 5:30 to 8:30 on daily basis, you have to devote this time to the mains PYQs writing. And the ideology is that on an average, in these 3 hours, on an average, and I'll tell you how, you will be writing around 7 to 8 questions per day. That means in a month, you will be writing 240. And in 2 months, if you are consistent, if you are practicing, if you are doing whatever we wanted you to do, at least 500 plus mains questions, at least you will be writing, but you have to follow everything. So how the things goes like under this program is that 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. ka slot is fixed on daily basis. But there are two modes in which you have to do it. First mode is the mode of class. That is 3 hours ka class will be there, live session will be there. Live session will be there. Now in this live session, subject wise, first of all, and under the subject theme wise, first of all we will be discussing the ideology with you, that how you have to brainstorm, how you have to think, how you have to make the frameworks for different themes. Let's say that we are meeting for internal security. Now let's say in a class we are meeting for internal security. Let's say we are having 2 live sessions. So the entire syllabus will be divided into 2 live sessions. In one of the sessions, let's say we picked up 3 themes of the internal security. So we will discuss a crux about the frameworks of those themes. That ultimately how you have to brainstorm your answers. How you have to funnel the content which you have already studied. First thing. Second thing, please understand, very important, that we will be writing at least 3 to 4 questions live in the class. So we will be giving you the sufficient time and we will be writing the answers along with you in the class itself, right? So you have the clear-cut idea about the introduction, parts of the question, content, body, enrichment, conclusion, way forward, everything in the class, at least for those 4 questions in these themes. अब understand me more better, थोड़ा और ध्यान लगा के सुनिए. On the same themes which we have already covered in the live session, we will give you a workbook. Let's say in internal security we covered the theme of border security, cyber security, and maybe this let's say terrorism. We covered these 3 themes. Now what you will get, we have practiced 4 questions also in the class. We have practiced we have seen the frameworks in the class. You will get a workbook. In which you will be asked to solve at least 10 questions in a single day in the same 3 hours ka slot. So when you will see the schedule of the Eklavya beta, the Eklavya ka schedule have clear cut 2 components or modes, that whether we are meeting in the class or you are doing it at the home. So whenever we are meeting in the class, we will be covering the themes and we will practice some 3 to 4 questions within the class. And whenever it is at the home, in the same slot, you have to practice at home from the same themes 10 questions. Up, pause and listen to me. Whatever questions you will be practicing here, either we will be giving you the handwritten model answers, or else the best copies amongst your competitors. Let's say we have 1000 registrations under the batch, so there will be some 5, 10, 15 best copies. So we will give you the best copy, which has utilized all the frameworks, value addition, etc., for those 10 questions at the end of the day, so that you know exactly how you would have dealt it better. So ultimately what you are getting in the program is you are practicing 3 hours a day, you are practicing the PYQs, the most suitable contender for your practice purpose of the mains. Then again you are having the frameworks, you are meeting the toppers in the class to how to write the answers, you are writing them on your own, you are getting the best copies, you are getting the model answers, and that is how this program will create a beautiful and a wonderful impact on you. Okay? So if you want to register for the program, you will get the details in the description and in the comment section as well. The very first comment pinned at the top, please have the details. Thank you, see you in the batch from 7th November onward. Please do not miss, the price is not at all what I can say, that match the quality of the batch. So we are keeping it affordable for all of you. So please register, and this batch will surely create a difference in your mains preparation. Thank you.